everyone! Welcome back to Bliss. Today, we're diving into the world of natural skincare, and we're talking about a humble yet powerful ingredient that you probably already have in your kitchen: baking soda. That's right, this little box has a whole range of skincare benefits that might surprise you. But as with any skincare ingredient, there's a right way and a wrong way to use it. So let's get started. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is widely known for its versatility. It's commonly used in cooking, cleaning, and yes, even beauty routines. But why is it good for the skin? Well, baking soda is mildly abrasive, which makes it an excellent exfoliant. It also has natural antibacterial properties and can help neutralize the pH of your skin. However, before you jump in, it's important to understand how to use it safely. So, what can baking soda do for your skin? Here are some of its benefits. Exfoliation. It removes dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. Acne treatment. Its antibacterial properties can help fight acne-causing bacteria. Brightening. It can help fade dark spots and even out your skin tone. Odor control. Its deodorizing properties make it a natural remedy for body odor. Oil control. It helps absorb excess oil, making it great for oily skin types. Now let's talk about how to use baking soda safely. While it's effective, baking soda is alkaline, and your skin is naturally acidic. Overusing it can disrupt your skin's pH balance, leading to irritation or dryness. So always follow these guidelines. Do a patch test. Before using it on your face or body, test a small area to check for any allergic reactions. Limit usage. Use baking soda no more than 1 to 2 times per week to avoid over-exfoliating. Dilute it. Always mix baking soda with water or other ingredients to reduce its potency. Here are 3 easy DIY recipes using baking soda for your skin. Baking soda face scrub. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of water to create a paste. Gently massage it onto your face in circular motions for 1 minute. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Spot treatment for acne. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to make a thick paste. Apply it directly to pimples and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse off and moisturize. Brightening mask. Combine 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water. Pro tip: avoid lemon juice if you have sensitive skin. Now, a quick word of caution. Baking soda isn't for everyone. If you have sensitive or dry skin, you may want to avoid using it as it can be too harsh. And always remember to moisturize after using it to keep your skin hydrated. If you notice any redness, burning, or irritation, stop using it immediately. And there you have it! Baking soda is a budget-friendly and effective addition to your skincare routine if used correctly. Have you tried baking soda for your skin? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more natural skincare tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Bye for now.